Hey, just a quick heads up. This video is for educational purposes only and doesn't count as financial advice. Always do your own research or talk to a professional before making any investment decisions. Are you curious about the stock market but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to invest in stocks, even if you're a complete beginner. First, why invest in stocks? Because stocks let you own a piece of a company. When the company grows, your money grows too. Historically, stocks have given better returns than savings accounts, gold, or even fixed deposits. But remember, higher returns come with risks. That's why learning is key. Step 1. Open a Demat Trading account. This is like your online locker to buy and hold shares. You can open one through a trusted broker or financial app. Step 2. Learn the basics. Terms like shares, dividends, mutual funds, and index. Don't worry, you don't need to be a finance expert. Just understand the foundation. Step 3. Start small. Never invest all your savings at once. Begin with an amount you're comfortable with. Think of it as your learning fee to the market. Now, how do you pick the right stocks? Here are some golden rules. Invest in companies you know and understand. Check the company's past performance and financial health. Don't chase quick profits. Focus on long-term growth. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread across different sectors. And one secret tip. Start with index funds or exchange-traded funds, also called ETFs. They're safer for beginners because they track the market as a whole. Remember, stock investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth step by step, year by year. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. So, are you ready to start your stock market journey? Drop a yes in the comments and let's grow together.